Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have probably my most exciting unboxing to date to share with you. As you can see, it is from Hermes, and this is my very first quota bag from Hermes. So I'm very excited to share this with you. This is a true unboxing. I picked it up earlier today from the boutique, and yeah, I'm gonna get right into it because I'm so excited to unbox this and see it again. This is just an SLG that I also picked up, but I will save that for after. And also my essay threw in this little saddle charm. I guess you have to kind of construct it yourself, but anyway, that's just something that she gifted me, which was nice. Okay, so here is the box, and I will show you all the information about the bag afterwards, after I unbox it. Okay, so here we go. I'm very excited. This is the quota bag that was #1 on my wish list, so I still can't believe that it is finally here. This is the care booklet, and here is the dust bag, pillow. So there is the dust bag. All right, here we go to reveal. Okay, let me get the felt off. And here she is. This is the Constance 18, or the mini Constance, and it is in the color Vert Fizz, in Epsom leather with palladium hardware. And this is the newer version, so I will show you. The color isn't quite coming up as saturated as it is in real life. It's looking a little bit dull, but it is such a beautiful color. When she first unboxed it for me, I don't know, it took my breath away. It's such a pretty color. So I had let her know months ago that this was a color I was really interested in, and in terms of quota bags, the Constance 18 was #1 on my wish list. I know that a lot of people have a Birkin as their #1, but I'll explain in a bit why this was my #1. But anyway, yeah, when I saw this color, I was like, oh, I wish it was coming up true to color on camera, because it really is truly a beautiful color. Okay, let me get, it was wrapped so nicely with the felt when she first opened it, but it was really complicated to get it back the way it was, but I'll try to figure it out. So here is this is how it looks when you open it, and the inside is a really soft leather. I don't know if it's Swift or what it is, but it's very soft. So this is the interior, and it's the new version, which comes with this cute little mirror. So yeah, it is a really cute touch. That is a new version that just came out recently, I think. And it's got the slip pocket here, and then it has another slip pocket here next to the mirror's slip pocket. There is no pocket on the back though. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. And I love the strap on the Constance 18 because it is long enough to go crossbody. I tried it on in the store and it's a great length, but you can also easily double it up like this to make it a shoulder bag. So that's really nice. And you can see that the trim is all black, so won't have to worry too much about corner wear with this, which is nice. And the Epsom feels really sturdy and structured. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Okay, yeah, so this is it. This is my first quota bag. So the reason that I decided on a Constance 18 as my first quota bag is because small crossbody bags are just more practical for me. They're the type of bag I use the most. I would love a Birkin 25, but it's solely a handheld bag, which really isn't quite as useful for me. Someday, yes, I would love one, but this is a bag that I will actually use a lot because it is practical. It's, you know, it can be worn crossbody, it can be worn on the shoulder. It holds the essentials. So, and I just love the look of it. It's just, I love flat bags like this that can go crossbody. It's just more my thing. So yeah, it was so nice that she was able to get one in this beautiful, beautiful color. Yeah, it is so stunning. I will try to post pictures on Instagram of the true color so that you can get an idea, because it really is like it is a very light green, but it's saturated at the same time. It's kind of hard to explain. So that is the bag. I will quickly show you the information on the box. Okay, so yeah, so this version is called the Constance 3 Mini, and it's Epsom leather, Vert Fizz is the color, and palladium hardware. Yeah, here it says Constance Mini mirror, so because it does come with the mirror. I believe they are still making the version without the mirror as well. The one with the mirror obviously costs more, but I don't know what the price difference is because I'm not sure what the price of the original one without the mirror was. I don't have that information. Okay, so the other item I picked up is an SLG. Let's just open this quickly. This is my favorite SLG style from Hermes. I use my other one all the time. I thought this one was special. As you can see, it has a print. So it is the Calvi Duo, which I find really, really useful. I use, like I said, I have one in Blue Broom and I use it a lot. And having this extra compartment, so that's the difference between the Calvi, the regular Calvi, and the Calvi Duo, is it has this extra compartment. It just makes it easier to organize your cards, and it holds many cards. And this one has this cute print on it, on the front and the back. So I thought that was really cute, and I believe this is Swift leather. I will show you the information for this one too. It's on here. Yeah, here we go. So yeah, Swift, and it's the Calvi Duo, white and multicolor. Yeah. Okay, so that is the other item that I picked up. I thought this would be cute to use with my new Constance. And then, like I said, she threw in this little charm here. It's like a saddle charm. I'm not sure what color that is. I will have to take a look, but that's cute too. Okay, so that is it for this unboxing. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.